I35equipment.com. This is Komatsu PC220LC-7L hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator to accompany you, or hire some local ones if you prefer. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call and get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. We do send equipment all over the country, so again, this ship to you should not be too big of an issue. Just give us a call or send us an email with your full delivery address. We'll be happy to share that with several brokers and local haulers to get you the best quote, or as always, you can use your own hauler. This machine does have auxiliary hydraulics, full cab, good power. We do have manual thumbs as well as hydraulic thumbs available. Send that out with it, or if you'd like to have it installed, we have local welders here that can schedule and get it installed for you. If you know anyone with idle heavy equipment, please share our website information with them. We specialize in consignment heavy equipment sales, and we would be happy to get their equipment sold for them. We'll give him a moment to climb out while we check out the undercarriage, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and show you around the interior. Zoom on out to the fisheye lens. It may distort a little bit, but give you a good view of the interior. Go ahead and check out the AC for ourselves. You can see it's on, but it is not blowing. Radio's a little beat up there. Working horn. Looks like to me should have this pedal here for the hydraulics. So that should be going there. What else can we show you? Might be hard to see the dash. On the video it might look like there's lines running through it, but in person it's not. This was changed out at 74.14 hours, currently showing 310. As always, appreciate you taking time to watch the video and hope it was beneficial to you. See our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.